finally we are here for makeup, guys. What's up, guys? How are you all doing? I'm just roaring. Okay, let us quickly do this sharp makeup. Okay, just a simple makeup. That is what I will just be doing right now because I have other things to do for today. Alright, let's go on. I like talking when I'm doing videos, but when I'm doing makeup, I don't talk anymore because I love to focus and to concentrate. How is it? Is it correct? Concentrate. Correct me, guys, if I'm wrong in the English part. You know already that it is sharp makeup. That is what we want to do. So we don't have to waste time. Time to miss. Let me use this one. No, let me use this one. No, let me use this one. Time to miss. I need to miss this my. You know, the other makeup that I did the other day, my makeup artist was so amazed. Said, "Wow, you did an amazing job." I was so happy that my professional makeup artist was so proud of me. Oh, wow. I do not have a lot of eyebrow. Before we start playing my music at the background, you can see I've already done my eyebrow under session 9005. So I have to blend what as they call it this one. Is it the chic or? You can see the beautiful dark color that I use here. It's very nice. So I'm going to be using, I think, orange color. Yeah, orange. I want to make something cute, sweet out. Our best makeup artist. Let me play music. Eyelashes and the rest, I'm going to do it off camera because I just want to quickly finish this makeup. I'm using my side mirror just to protect, just to lining everything very well. You see these eyelashes nearly rule my makeup. I need to use the light pink or the dark pink. Let me use the dark one. The dark color of pink. Then I will lighten it with the second one. No, this is glamour. Whether pink or glamour, me, I don't know. I don't know the color names. Don't worry, this period I will come and be reviewing some stuff for you guys. Some stuff that I will review for you guys. I wanna lolo. Hey, I feel you, right? How did you think about this makeup, guys? Don't worry, in my next episode you will see the finish. I love you.